Warren, new start toward the future. The 2026 Warren Doors and Windows new smart manufacturing base production ceremony was officially held in Foshan today. And today's production ceremony lets us know that a true manufacturing upgrade is never as simple as just piling up hardware. The ceremony was filled with distinguished guests, key partners from various industries, and hundreds of core distributors nationwide gathered together to witness this important milestone in the brand's development. The event officially kicked off with executives taking the stage to deliver speeches, interpreting the brand's development layout and manufacturing upgrade strategy. Subsequently, auspicious rituals such as the eye-dotting ceremony and the plucking the green lion dance were performed in sequence, creating a lively atmosphere. The highly anticipated grand opening ceremony took center stage, with hundreds of distributors jointly participating in the W formation ribbon cutting and base unveiling, jointly witnessing the official commissioning of the Warren Foshan Smart Manufacturing Base. After the ceremony, everyone moved to the brand showroom to immersively experience the product, strength and spatial design expression of Warren's high-end doors and windows. From functional demonstrations of system doors and windows to diverse home scenario solutions, everything was showcased seamlessly, converting manufacturing strength into perceptible end product experiences. It also offers participating distributors brand new product selections and spatial reference ideas. Breaking away from simple manufacturing mindsets, it adopts a humanistic corporate culture philosophy, incorporating employee living experience and team sense of belonging into upgrade standards to create a warm, modern park. The key highlight of the base is the integration of the Leader S-Series magnetic levitation smart production line, breaking away from labor dependence and achieving automated, high-precision manufacturing. Conveyor speed can reach up to 200 meters per minute. The entire process is silent and smooth, with zero collisions, zero scratches, and minimal material waste. Work that originally required 10 people now only requires one person to monitor, reducing human error, boosting capacity, shortening delivery times, and ensuring stable quality. The completion of the new Foshan base perfects Warren's dual base layout across the north and south, relying on northern precision craftsmanship combined with Foshan's high-efficiency production capacity. The north and south synergize to bridge South China's delivery gaps, empowering national distributors to capture high-end market growth, achieving comprehensive iteration across spatial efficiency, smart production, modern management, and brand humanization. Warren Doors and Windows opens a whole new chapter in high-end door and window manufacturing. Follow me to learn more home furnishing industry insights.